Hey folks, this is Prachi Agarwal. Welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing great and you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, then please do, because I will be creating a lot more content based on placement preparation and some computer science concepts. So stay tuned to my channel to get all the updates. Now, today's video will be about a mistake that I made after getting placed to my first company. But I want to tell you about my experience so that you don't make the same mistake and regret it later like me. So, I'll start by telling you my story, what happened with me, and after that, you can decide if I did correct or not. So, what happened was that I was one of the few students who got placed at Infosys at a very early stage when I reached my final year. So it was just the month of July, and I got placed at Infosys through InfyDQ exam. After that, I also got the opportunity to take part in Hack with Infy, and I was selected there for Systems Engineer Specialist profile, which is now converted into Digital Specialist Engineer. So that is what I am. I gave the interview and I got selected there. So in September, that was in September when the results came and I came to know that I have been selected at Infosys. And before that, I was also selected at TCS as a systems engineer. So yes, I was placed pretty much. And then I also got a call from Goldman Sachs. So I went to give interview for Goldman Sachs, but I was not selected there. So these were the three companies that I gave interview for. But after I was placed in TCS and Infosys, and I knew that I had a secure job, even if I apply somewhere else or not, even if I get a better job or not, but I had a security. So I just stopped applying to companies altogether. I was relaxed. I stopped studying much so that I could improve myself and keep on getting different offers and keep on experimenting myself on different companies. And then at last, at the end of my final year, finally decide that which company I'm going to join. So I didn't leave myself that choice. So the same thing I want to convey, that please don't make that mistake, because I see a lot of people right now who are in their final year and are getting placed in a lot of companies. It is often I can see on LinkedIn that people post that it is their first ever placement and how happy they are about it, how enthusiastic they are feeling about it. So if you have landed a job in your dream company, then that's good. You should still keep on studying to improve yourself so that when you enter into that organization, you can do better and better and you can make a name for yourself. But if that is not the case, if you have not yet landed in your dream company, then please don't wait to start working in the corporate world and then, deciding that, okay, now I will start preparing for some XYZ company. Don't do that. While you're still in college, you have a lot of time. Believe me, the college is the only place where you will have a lot of time to prepare for things. Once you enter into the corporate world, it will be very hard for you to find time for these things, because you will have your full-time job to consider, you will have your family to take care of, or else if you are living somewhere alone, then you will have a lot of things to take care of in that case as well. So you will not get as much time as you get when you are a student. So start preparing for your dream company now, and don't stop experimenting on yourself that what else you can do. So it does not have to be a very big thing. You can just pick up a simple project and start learning something new, and then create a project out of that new skill or technology that you have learned. So don't waste your time is the thing that I want to convey through this video. And also keep applying to different companies. You never know where you land a job, and it might actually do wonders in your career. And at last, I would say that even if you have made that same mistake that I made, then it is never too late to start preparing or start pursuing whatever you want to. So start today and you will definitely see the results in some time. So that's it, guys. So do let me know in the comment section if you feel the same way and if you agree with what I'm saying in this video. And I'll meet you next time. Don't forget to like my video if you found something useful in it. And also hit the bell icon so that you can get all the updates related to my channel. Thank you everyone.